Hello everyone. Welcome to Korean class with Bella and Max.
Hey. I'm Max, your friendly male rabbit teacher. Today is a very special day.
That's right. Today is session 13 of topic 2 reading. We're doing our second mock exam and error analysis.
Oh, mock exam day. You know what they say in Korea. 70% luck, 30% skill.
Haha. Max, that's not quite right for topic. For topic, it's 100% preparation. Let's begin. First, let's check our learning objectives for today.
Number 1, practice the real exam feeling through the mock test.
Number 2, analyze error patterns to find your weak areas.
Number 3, review solving strategies and improve time management.
Alright. Let's look at question 1. This is a grammar question. Fill in the blank.
The sentence is, 저는 매일 아침 운동을 블랭 건강을 유지합니다. I maintain my health by exercising every morning 블랭.
The choices are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.
Let me think. I exercise every morning while maintaining my health. The key is 2 actions happening at the same time.
Exactly. The answer is number 1. The grammar pattern means while doing something simultaneously.
Great. Remember, means or, means but, and means even if. Very different meanings.
Question 2. Find the phrase with a similar meaning to the underlined part.
The sentence is, 그는 시험에 떨어졌음에도 불구하고 포기하지 않았다. He did not give up despite failing the exam.
Is a formal way to say despite or even though. Which option has the same meaning?
The answer is number 2. Means but, which expresses the same contrast as.
Now, question 3. Reading comprehension about Korean traditional holidays. Let me read the passage.
Oh. Korean traditional holidays. This is where my Korean culture knowledge shines. Is Chuseok, the Korean Harvest Moon Festival.
The passage says Chuseok is on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month. Families gather to hold memorial services for ancestors and share food. The representative food is half-moon-shaped rice cakes.
So the question asks which statement matches the content. Let's check each option.
Option 1 says Chuseok is on the solar calendar August 15th. Wrong. It's the lunar calendar. Option 2 says songpyeon is made from wheat flour. Wrong. It's rice flour.
Option 3 says they hold memorial services for ancestors. That's in the passage. And option 4 says they don't enjoy traditional games. Wrong. They play Gangang Sully and Sirium.
Correct. The answer is number 3. Strategy tip: for content match questions, read the options first, then find the matching sentence in the passage. Question 4. Find the main topic. The passage is about smartphones and sleep.
Ah, smartphones and sleep. You know, Korean students study so hard they only sleep 4 hours, but that's not healthy.
Haha. True. The passage talks about blue light suppressing melatonin and experts recommending no phones 1 hour before bed.
The answer is number 3, the effect of smartphone use on sleep. Key strategy: look for repeated keywords. Smartphone and sleep appear throughout the whole passage.
Question 5. Find the writer's main argument. The passage is about environmental pollution.
For this type of question, look for signal words like or. These words introduce the writer's main claim.
The last sentence starts with, meaning therefore. It says international cooperation is absolutely necessary. So the answer is number 3. Question 6. Inference question. What content would most likely follow this passage about single-person households?
The last sentence says single-person households are bringing various changes across society. So the next content should be about those specific changes.
Exactly. The answer is number 3. The specific effects of the increase in single-person households on economy and society. Always use the last sentence's keywords to predict what comes next. Now, questions 7 and 8. Long passage about artificial intelligence in medicine. This is the most challenging type.
AI in medicine. You know, I heard AI can now diagnose cancer as accurately as doctors. Amazing technology.
The passage says AI is used to analyze medical images and detect cancer early. Its accuracy has reached or even surpassed skilled doctors. However, AI cannot completely replace doctors.
Why can't AI replace doctors? Because doctors handle emotional communication with patients, ethical judgments, and complex clinical decisions.
So for question 7, the main content is the role and limitations of AI in the medical field. Answer is number 2.
And for question 8, which statement matches the content? Option 3, doctors handle emotional communication with patients. That's directly in the passage.
Excellent work, everyone. Now let's do error analysis. Which question types gave you the most trouble?
There are 5 main error types: vocabulary errors, grammar errors, reading errors, inference errors, and time shortage.
For vocabulary errors, make a vocabulary notebook. For grammar errors, compare similar grammar patterns side by side.
For reading errors, underline key words. For inference errors, focus on connectors and pronouns. For time shortage, read questions before the passage.
Let's review our 5 key strategies before we finish.
Strategy 1, use context clues for vocabulary and grammar questions.
Strategy 2, for content match, read options first then find in the passage.
Strategy 3, for topic finding, look for repeated keywords and the final sentence.
Strategy 4, for inference, predict next content from the last sentence's keywords.
Strategy 5, time management. Average 1 minute 30 seconds per question. Skip hard ones and come back.
Great job today, everyone. For homework, redo the questions you got wrong and make an error analysis notebook.
Next class is session 14, the third mock exam and final weak point fixing. You're almost at the finish line.
Remember the Korean saying, starting is half the battle. You've already started, so you're halfway to success.
Thank you for watching. Keep studying hard and you'll pass topic 2 for sure.